9 reasons why mushroom is our favorite neutral. A wall painted in mushroom is the perfect canvas for putting up art pieces, no matter how bold, eye-grabbing or unique they might be. Although neutral artwork plays nicely, mushroom allows you to try unexpected colors or put up something new if the mood strikes. Try a juju hat, a tribal hat made from feathers, a striking painting, or a gallery in varying colors and patterns. Neutrals make it effortless to display vintage finds, just ask Joanna Gaines. With farmhouse designs that are all the rage, mushroom is a hue that harkens back to a simpler time, as if you could imagine it in a 1930s kitchen. Embrace the bygone feel of mushroom with vintage treasures mixed in, like well-loved books and baskets. Although mushroom is a lovely color choice for a front door, it has appeal inside as well. Paint an interior door in a shade of mushroom, which pops against a white shiplap wall. Pantry doors, linen closets, bathroom doors, French doors, mushroom works nearly everywhere. With interiors trending toward all things natural, there was simply an organic progression toward mushroom as a beloved color choice. As spaces bring in bright green plants, baskets made from eco-friendly materials and warm woods, small decor items in mushroom fit in this aesthetic. Try it with vases, bowls, and coffee table books. There's also a pull toward minimalism these days, paring down possessions and decor along with it. If you're the unfussy sort, mushroom may be an ideal shade to use throughout your home. It's a quiet color that doesn't require a lot of attention but looks beautiful to the eye. At times, it begs for simplicity and helps to pull together a room decorated with nothing more than glassware, reclaimed wood, and some greens. Mushroom is a color with major curb appeal, a hue that is anything but off-putting and brings classic refinement to a home's exterior. Incorporate the color through well-worn brick, sun-washed barn wood, paint, and shingles. To create contrast, look to colors like navy, rust and brown. Flooring should never compete with your home's decor. To have more freedom in your styling, look to a mushroom floor, rendered in hardwood, laminate or tile. A pattern like a herringbone can add a bit of visual interest. Although the secret of organizing lies in bins, baskets and dedicated places for items, it can also be found in a surprising source, color choice. A space awash in neutrals generally encourages a soothing, uncluttered, opposite of chaotic atmosphere. The items in your organization drop zones, such as armoires, receive a dose of sophistication set against subtle tones like mushroom. With mushroom, it can be easy to go big or go home. Unlike vibrant colors like yellow or red, there's a greater chance that floor-to-ceiling mushroom will work no matter what. You can decorate your entire home in it seamlessly using paint colors, light fixtures, cabinetry, furniture, wall art, throw pillows and more. No matter what the next fashionable color might be, you can know this for sure, mushroom is timeless and always elegant. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.